It's been 2 months since this visit, but some trips stay fresh in your mind. And this IKEA Bangalore trip is definitely one of them. We planned this as a full day outing, not just a shopping trip. And IKEA truly deserves that kind of time. The main IKEA is located in Nagatandra, where we visited. But one more IKEA has recently opened in Whitefield, Bangalore. Those who stays in Bangalore, you can easily visit the Whitefield location also. But the number of items are limited in this store. We visited IKEA along with my younger brother and his better half. And exploring the store together made the entire day even more fun and lively. Since IKEA is located quite far from the city, reaching there itself felt like a small road trip, taking around 1.5 or 2 hours depending on where you are coming from. But once you arrive, the experience makes the journey completely worth it. As soon as we entered, our excitement started with food. The IKEA Swedish restaurant was our first stop, and honestly, it set the mood for the entire day. The serving style itself is an experience. You take a trolley, move along the counters, pick your dishes, and by the end, you already feel like part of the IKEA culture. Our son was especially excited. For him, it was not just food, it felt like a mini adventure. He loved pushing the trolley, pointing at dishes, and watching everything being neatly arranged. You can warm your food by yourself in the microwave oven. The menu had their classic Swedish dishes, but what really stood out was how IKEA has thoughtfully included Indian food options as well. It felt comforting, global yet familiar. We sat down, enjoyed our meal, recharged ourselves, and little did we know this energy was going to be very necessary. And do you know what? The beverages are unlimited. You can enjoy your coffee or tea as much as you want, and even the cold drinks. We then moved to the first floor, which is entirely dedicated to room and home inspirations. And this is where time completely slipped away. Our son was exploring every corner with endless curiosity. The kids' room setups caught his attention instantly. He walked in and out of those spaces like he already lived there, touching the toys, opening tiny wardrobes, sitting on kids' bed, imagining his own room. And honestly, we enjoyed it just as much as he did. Every section felt like stepping into a real home. Living rooms, bedrooms, kid rooms, study areas, modular kitchen, balconies, everything was beautifully styled, practical, and realistic. Each room told a story. How a small space can feel cozy, how lighting changes the mood, how smart storage can transform everyday living. All chest of drawers. You can also create this look. Is not it beautiful? We kept saying, oh, this would look perfect at home. Or this study setup is such a great idea. Or I need this mirror for my bedroom. And look at this balcony, it feels like a cafe. We spent almost 5 hours just exploring the upper section, walking, observing, imagining, clicking clips for the vlog, and slowly feeling the tiredness settle in. By the time we reached the ground floor, our legs were definitely asking for a break. But IKEA doesn't let you leave without one last temptation. We casually strolled through the accessories section. Even though we were exhausted, it was impossible not to stop. Cushion covers, storage boxes, kitchen essentials, lamps, decor pieces, small things but full of ideas. We picked up a few things that felt useful and simple, the kind of pieces that quickly upgrade your home. Before heading back, we decided to slow things down with a Swedish dinner at the cafe downstairs. Yes, they have a small cafe in the downstairs also. It was calm, satisfying, and the perfect way to end a long day. Our son was tired but happy, and quite content tiredness that comes after a full day of new sights and experiences. As we drove back home, we were not just carrying shopping bags, we were carrying ideas, inspirations, and memories. This was not just an IKEA visit, it felt like a day-long journey through thoughtful living, seen through curious eyes, especially our sons. If you are planning to visit IKEA Bangalore, come with time, curiosity, and comfortable shoes, of course. Because once you enter, you won't realize how beautifully the day flies by. That much for today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel and show your love, which inspires me to create more such content. See you in the next vlog.